Wheeled Repair Alliance. Frame and upholstery. Identify any loose nuts or bolts. Adjust placements and tighten loose nuts and bolts as necessary. Identify plastic parts such as clothing guards in need of replacement. Check weld points for cracks. Identify parts which are designed to be removable, like some footrests, arm supports, clothing guards, etc. Check that they can be released and latched with ease. Check if cushions and upholstery need replacement. Foam should bounce back when pressed. An air-filled cushion should have no leaks. Gel should be pliable and not brittle. Check whether wheel locks are working properly. Before adjusting the wheel lock, check the tread and air pressure of your tires. Make sure that they are at the proper degree of inflation. This impacts how well your locks work. Loosen the bolts holding your wheel lock to the frame of the chair. You can now move the assembly forward or backward as needed to align better with your wheels. When in the open position, the lock should not interfere with the free movement of the wheel. When in the locked position, the lock should make full contact with the surface of the wheel. Learn more at bit.ly/wheeled repair alliance.